Hi, my name is Billy Leong and welcome to this week's Global X Express Lane. We've seen another strong week in terms of US equities with the S&P 500 up over 90 bips in last week. And this was on the back of an ongoing resolution of the Middle East conflict and ongoing strength in the tech sector, which both offset at a hawkish Fed meeting. But what about this week? What are the key events investors should be focused on? In terms of green light or positive catalyst, it will be digesting an ongoing Middle East resolution conflict. This is going to be one of the biggest macro clearing events we've seen, and it's going to have an impact in terms of how market views inflation numbers we're going to see globally this week. In terms of yellow light or both side at risk, we believe that this could be the core PCE data that's going to come out in the US this week. This will be one of the first key readings since Kevin Walsh took up as Fed chair, and it will have impact in terms of how he deals with his strategy going forward. Finally, in terms of red light or what could cause markets to a halt, we believe it's an ongoing position in terms of the market. We're still seeing a very gross long position, and that presents a very huge tail risk in terms of any drawdowns. I hope you've enjoyed this week's Global X Express Lane. If you have any comments, feel free to put them below. Thank you.